Hello, I'm the Ninja Rider, and today we're gonna have a look at the new unit that Carpuride sent me, the 702 Plus. Back in December, they sent me the 502 Pro, and I've tested that a lot since then, and I absolutely love that unit. It fits perfectly on the Ninja. I will show you how that one fits, and then we will fit the new 702 Plus. Let's unbox it quickly now. I had a look, a small peek in the box. Have a look at this. Beautiful. I love it. It's a bit on the bigger side, especially for the Ninja. It's got 7-inch, but it's got a lot of new features. One of its biggest features is the fact that you've got like integrated GPS. With the 502 Pro, everybody was saying that, but yeah, but you need to connect your phone to that, so it's not quite a GPS thing. And well, this time you don't have to connect your phone. Everything is done on the screen here. You can connect it to the Wi-Fi, of course, and you can download it. You can download apps, you can download GPS. It's basically like a tablet on your bike. Right, let's unbox it and see exactly what have we got here. So we've got the unit itself. It's got a lot of wiring, but don't be scared, because it's pretty easily, the installation process is going to be pretty straightforward. The only thing that I'm a bit worried about, and I think I'm not going to connect it, is the controller, the handlebar controller, because I think I have got no space on my handlebar for that. Right, so we've got the actual unit here, and what else is in the back. So we've got one camera, we've got the second camera. One is got like a longer wire, so this is the back one, this is the front one. We've got the tire monitor pressure system, so it's gonna give us the tire pressures live on the screen, which is great. We've got this bracket, like a handlebar bracket. We're not gonna need that, and we've got a small tool and a couple of other rubber brackets. And this small spanner, it's used to put the TPMS on the bike, and yeah, nothing else. Right, let's do the install now on the bike, and turn on this baby, because I haven't turned it on, so I don't know how it looks. I don't know the resolution, I don't know anything, and I'm going to tell you more specs about it after. Before installing the actual unit, let me show you my homemade bracket here. A lot of people have asked in the previous video, how did you install it? How did you put it there? Well, have a look at this. This is a homemade bracket. I hope the camera can pick it up. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 legs, and it's installing exactly through the bolts of the windscreen. You know, the Ninja 1006 has got this adjustable screen, so it's exactly installed on those 4 bolts. And it's got one of these bolts here. And I've also have like a ram mount, a very short one. So what I would do, I'll need both of my hands, of course. I just need to put this one like that. And then the 702 and the 502, but let's leave the 502. Let's talk about the 702. The 702 has the same ball joint here. So I'm just gonna undo here the ram mount a bit, and then tighten the lever, and voila, the unit is installed. However, now we have to do the installation of the cameras. It's got 1080p cameras front and back, and that's gonna add a lot of peace of mind when riding, especially with traffic nowadays. So let's see how we can. It's gonna be very easy. Actually, I'm gonna leave on the screen right now the installation picture and show you exactly where to connect the wires. I think the hardest part will be how to hide the wires and how to mount the cameras rather than connecting it to the battery. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what I'm doing now, I'm trying to remove, I am removing the seat, so I can see how to run the wires as neat as possible. I think I'm gonna mount the camera, even though I'm gonna be able to see the wire a bit. I think I'm gonna mount the camera here, because I can't see any other place where to, but that's gonna be neat enough. I absolutely love these Carpuride units. A lot of people have said, but yeah, I can find on AliExpress for like 50 pounds or whatever. Well, I'm not trying to force you to buy any of this, but believe me, the quality is so much better. The screen resolution, the speed, how it's moving, everything, it's just something else compared to those cheap Chinese replicas, you know. here I need to find a way to do it. I think I know how. I will just dismantle here the, yeah, look at this, something like that, and then the seat is gonna cover. I'm gonna find a way to do it properly there. But honestly, putting the wires together here, it's it depends on the bike. If you have an adventure bike, it's gonna be a lot easier. Here you have to undo the fairings, but it's nothing hard at all. If you're gonna come here, so look, these are the connections. So they are totally waterproof connections, and honestly, this is something that anybody can do. You just plug them in, rotate here, and then that's it. Everything is waterproof. Now I just need to find a way to make everything look tidy around here, and then connect it to the battery and start the engine. Everything is now fitted and I couldn't be more excited. Come close and I'll show you. So the main thing with this is just you connect it to the Wi-Fi, you get the apps that you want to get, and then you don't need any wireless, any internet whatsoever. Look at this. We've got Google Store, so you can get every app that you can think of. We've got stock maps, so you're just gonna go into maps. I'm just gonna blur it here now, so you're gonna see it blurred, just not to see my home address, of course. And okay, we're gonna go back. Look at this, YouTube. So you can play the Ninja Rider videos through the screen. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend playing any videos while riding the bike. This is a big no-no. You've got a main button here, like the central button. If you just press that, and it's gonna give you some shortcuts, like go back, settings, home. We're gonna press home. It's even holding you the video here in the background as it would on a phone. So let's exit the video. Of course, we got Spotify, and of course we've got Android Auto. If we're gonna go to the Z lane here, I haven't connected my phone yet, but you can go have Android Auto, have the WhatsApp, have the Messenger, have your phone calls and whatnot. Everything. You basically have everything. You even have files. So if you want to save some files that you want to, I don't know, you have some business meeting, you want to save some files, you just have to read it through before the meeting or something like that. Audio output, you can connect it to your intercom. It's got so many things. It's got IP67 waterproof, so you can jet wash the thing. Nothing's gonna, those wires connections are perfectly stable. We're gonna see if the speed is read correctly through here. I'm gonna take the bike out for a ride. Obviously, we're gonna connect now the tire pressure monitor system sensors on the wheels, and we're gonna take the bike out for a spin. But absolutely brilliant. And of course, the main thing, press here, and we've got the cameras. We've got the back camera. I don't know if it's the right placement because you can see my plate from the back here, but I think it's fine enough because you just need to see people people coming in. And of course the front camera, and then if you're gonna swipe, you're gonna have both of them, the left one in the front, the front one in the left, sorry, and the back one in the right. Really straightforward, really easy setting up everything. I mean, you don't even need instructions for this. It's dead easy. If you want to buy this particular unit, the 702 Plus, or any other Carpuride unit, use my FREETURTLE discount code. I'm gonna leave it right now on the screen, and it's gonna give you 30% off. This is a massive discount, and trust me, their units, they are absolutely brilliant. I haven't had any problem with my previous 502. Actually, let me go and grab the 502 to see the size difference between them. This is the 502 unit, so look at the size difference between them. Honestly, I think the 502 is better suited for the Ninja. The 702 Plus is better for an adventure bike, I think. I'm still very happy with this. I took it even across Europe, so I'm very happy with it. There is no cons whatsoever. Anyway, let's take out the bike and see how the GPS works and how the camera system works. Okay, I took the bike out and let's see what this baby can do. Octa-core processor, 1000 nits of brightness, proximity sensor. This is absolutely great. You can clearly see in it 7-inch display. Imagine being now somewhere in the mountains. You can clearly see the road up ahead. Absolutely love it. This is how the maps works. It's exactly like on your phone, or it's exactly as you would have it on your Android Auto, Waze, whatever. I was thinking if the speedo here works, and it definitely works. 57 kilometers per hour. Obviously you can change it to miles depending on what part of the world you are, but honestly this is a great unit.
I didn't have any expectations, but I knew the 502 Pro that I previously got was so good. So I know this one, I knew that this one would be so much better. And it is. I've already installed the tire pressure monitor system, and this is how the menu looks. 2.5 bar on the front, 3.1 on the back. It's a bit high on the back because it's staying in the sun. You can change the pressure from bar to PSI and the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And I think this is working for everybody around the world. Nowadays, the traffic, it's a bit crazy. People are in a rush all the time. So having a camera system on your bike, it's absolutely brilliant. Swipe once and you have the front camera. Swipe again and you have the back camera. And then the split screen between them two. I absolutely love my bike, and I absolutely love this unit, and I'm being as genuine as I can be. It's got everything that you need. You've got a dual camera system, you've got maps, you've got phone connectivity, Android Auto and CarPlay, you've got Play Store so you can install any app that you can think of, you've got tire pressure monitor system, it's got everything and more. And on top of that, I've got a 30% discount code for you. I'm gonna leave it down below in the description. Let me know down in the comments if you do like this unit. Any questions that you can think of, just drop them there in the comments. Share the video, like the video, and obviously, subscribe to my channel because that's gonna help me a lot.